Hello guys, if you are using a WhatsApp for marketing, then this video is only for you. This tool Goiral Bulk WhatsApp Chrome extension help you to get back experience in WhatsApp. To download this tool, visit our website goiral.com. Here you will see a section marketing software, click on it, and here you can see bulk WhatsApp sender, click on it. Then install free Chrome version, click on it. Here you can add this tool in your Chrome extension. I have already added. Then click on it. Here you can see this interface. Change your country code from here. Add all your mobile number here. Then input your message here. You can convert your message in bold, italic, strike, and to add attachment with your message. Then on attachment. Then click on include attachment. Here you will be redirected to files. Select your attachment. Then click open. Here you can see your attachment. You can add multiple attachments. To include poll messages, click on poll. Here you can add poll messages, and if you want to more option, then click on add more option. You can see options has been generated. And if you want to allow multiple answers, allow the multiple answer and click on save. To send this message, click on send WhatsApp. Simply you can see the WhatsApp messaging is sending. You can check the message report from message report. Here you can download the report also. Here you can filter your listing to all messages, unread messages, personal, business, groups or broadcast. Particularly you can filter your listing. To send message on particular group, click on send to group and choose your group, and then type message and simply send WhatsApp. To particular contact, select contacts and then copy to sender list. Here you will get the number and type message and then simply send WhatsApp. Upload numbers from file, click on upload file, then OK, then choose your file, then open. Here you can see the files all number. You can filter these numbers, click on filter number. To create group, simply create group. Then if you want to add these numbers in a exciting group, to choose the group and then add participants. If not, then return to select group and enter your new group name. Click on create. Your group is successfully created. To send text messages using this tool, you have to set up the your Android device. To set up Android device, click on setting. Here you can see the Android device setup for text messages. Click on it and add your device. After adding the device, click on show QR. Then open auto sender app provided by the Goiral and scan this QR using that app. Then your device will be set up successfully. And simply type your numbers here and type message. Then simply click on send text SMS. Then choose your device and write a campaign name. And simply click on send. To download contacts from group or broadcast, then simply click on setting, and here you can see the option download contacts. Click on it. Here you can choose this first, choose the group, then choose that group which numbers you want to extract. This, then simply you will get an option to download this number. Click on download, and you can see the group's number is downloaded. Here you can see a blur setup. You can see here listing, and you can blur these like this: contact name and recent messages, photos, conversation. Also you can use this feature. If you want to add auto reply, then simply click on setting. Here you can see the auto chatbot. Click on it and give a name to that template, and then enter your keyword. Then type your message, which message you want to send on this keyword. Ignore case sensitive. If you on it, then case sensitive is removed by the software. You can add attachment or poll also in this template. Then simply click on save. You can see the auto reply saved successfully. To add templates, click on this plus icon and enter the template name. Then type template message. Then simply click on save. You can see template saved successfully. You can get this template from click to select templates. Here you can see the templates. Click on it and you can see the template message here. So guys, like this you can use our Viral Bulk WhatsApp. Thank you for using Viral.